By October, Death Valley cools down from summer's scorching highs. The park is relatively uncrowded in September and October, but still quite hot as the season begins. It gets busier during the weeks leading up to the Death Valley 49ers encampment, second week in November, and the Thanksgiving holidays are busy. What to pack? See the general packing notes above and choose your wardrobe for the temperatures below. Layers are essential to cope with temperature variations. You are unlikely to need an umbrella or raincoat, although you should check the short-range forecast before you pack your suitcase. Temperatures and rainfall by month. 1. September, 106 F, 76 F, 0.14 inches. 2. October, 93 F, 61 F, 0.10 inches. 3. November, 77 F, 48 F, 0.17 inches.